Leaders, how are you? I'm Matt Teeter. This is Brian Martin, and we're so excited to discuss with you Team Leader 30, 60, 90. We'd love for you to enroll in the course. Who are we? That's a great first question. Well, in our careers, we hired more than 2,000 agents. We've coached more than 800 leaders in our company combined, and we've had over 40,000 one-on-one or group coaching calls so far over the last 8 years. We're both MAPS executive leadership coaches, former team leaders, right? Business owners. And we're just passionate about the fact that there are models, systems, tools, and best practices for being a team leader and executing on high-level results. So that's what this program is all about. And we're going to lay out a 4-step process of what the experience would be if you decide to participate in the program with us. So Brian, where do we start with that?
Yeah, so the format is it's a 90-day session, right? So we go over 3 months, and really what it includes is this. Number one is we have daily sessions. What happened in the daily sessions is we have accountability to daily activities. We're getting on the sessions. Matt and I lead the sessions together with full leadership teams, and we're looking at what are the things that we did yesterday. Are we doing the things that we agreed to do every day? We share a model, a system, a conversation every day that works with an actionable item. What needs to happen in the next 24 hours to put this in place to drive results? And I think one of the most important things we do is we're constantly investigating the market of the moment. We're asking those that are getting results, what is working today, right? Yeah, we know what worked 5 years ago. We know what worked 10 years ago. We know what the models and systems are and what the things we are can put in place. Yet, when we look at what's the market of today, we look at it and we say, this got results yesterday. How can you go apply it today? And what it's doing is driving results that other businesses, other market centers are not getting today.
Yeah, so second, you're going to get a role play partner, and those role play partners are going to change up every 2 weeks. So you're going to have somebody every day in the program with you that's going to role play some of the conversations that we have, right, as well as handling objections, always in a TCPA compliant way on a daily basis with updated partners every 2 weeks. Third, we have a private Facebook group for models, systems, tools, sharing best practices, and most importantly, celebrating the wins of people in the program. We've had some phenomenal results, right? We always want to celebrate the success and create that peer camaraderie, competition, accountability, where we can work together, we can push each other and drive in another format that's not on the call, off the call on a more continuous basis.
Yeah, I'd say fourth, the thing that we bring is different resources. So number one, I would say we have a daily activity tracker. Each participant, each participating business has its own activity tracker where they're daily putting in the numbers of what they did. That's transparency between us and the program, the people that are participating, as well as the OPs or anybody else that would request access to that can all see it. It's one system. Everybody can see it all the time. Second is you're going to get a weekly recap from the leadership team to the OP saying, these are the things that we've learned. These are the things we've implemented. Here's our challenges. Here's our results. Again, bringing transparency to here's what we're learning in the program. Here's what we're putting in place. Now, how do we do it at a higher level? You get a monthly recap on video, just like this from Matt and I. And then as needed, based on what we're discussing in the program, sometimes people need a little additional help one-on-one. We're available for one-on-one, short coaching sessions to work through some of the issues that come up in training, right? So it's they're usually in 10 or 15 minutes, we can address something and help somebody move on and get results quickly. Best thing is we're offering this multiple times each year. So look at the times that we're offering it. You could register at TL306090.com, just like it says on the shirt, TL306090.com.
Thanks, leaders.